Hi, recording this for Friday, April 24th, 2020. Okay, we're going to finish adjectives and adverbs. Okay, but more specifically, we're going to focus on how they're the sparkle. Okay, the sparkle. Now, sparkle means makes it pretty, makes it nice, makes it cute. Okay, so we're going to focus on um, adding adjectives and adverbs to simple sentences. Okay, so let's start with adding pizzazz. Pizzazz is another word for sparkle, right? That's why there's a little star at the corner. Adding pizzazz. So we're going to rewrite the simple sentences by adding sparkle words. So adjectives and adverbs, right? Or just extra words, okay? Sometimes we need other things too, okay? So my sister, oh, here, let's do the example first. Al is waiting for the bus. And here in this, right here, it says, boring, boring. Okay, so it's not that boring, but we do want to add a little sparkle. We want to add pizzazz, okay? Psh, some glitter. So let's try with this simple sentence here. My sister is sleeping. Okay? So we have a really simple sentence. My sister is sleeping. Now, what I think we should do is for sister, always with adjectives. You always put the adjective before the noun, right? Or at least that's what we do now, right? You practice, I want you to practice putting adjectives before the noun, right? So, what could we say? So here, my sister is sleeping, okay? So, how could we describe our sister? My clever sister is sleeping. My funny sister is sleeping. My angry sister is sleeping. My beautiful sister is sleeping. How about we start with my beautiful sister is sleeping. Now, we could put the adverb before or after sleeping, okay? But I think we should put it after. We could put it before, it doesn't matter. It just depends on how we want the sentence to sound. Okay? I think it sounds better at the end. So my beautiful sister is sleeping. How can we describe sleeping? My beautiful sister is sleeping softly. Let's put softly. So my beautiful sister is sleeping softly. Okay? Add a little sparkle, pizzazz to the sentence. All right? Number 2. The monster was scary. What kind of monster? Let's describe this monster, right? Do we want to use colors to describe the monster? What do we want to say about the monster? I want you to think for a second on what we could say about the monster. Okay, so we could say the ugly green monster, right? We could say ugly or green, or we could say the ugly green monster. Now, I put a comma between ugly and green because when we list just 2 adjectives, okay, we do this with adjectives only. When we list 2 adjectives, we put a comma. So the ugly green monster was the ugly green monster, or you could say the green ugly monster. It's better to say the ugly green. The ugly green monster was what? Scary. Let's use something like, we can use words, easy words to put in, right? Is really or very. The ugly green monster was really scary, or we could say was not very scary, or we could say very scary, okay? we're kind of describing scary, right? How scary was it? It was very. We're just going to say very scary, right? All right, this next one's a lot easier. Number 3. Mom was blank baking a blank cake. How was Mom baking a cake? Mom was slowly baking a delicious cake or a tall cake. Okay? So Mom was, or quickly, we could say quickly here. Mom was quickly baking. Quickly and slowly, softly, these are great adverbs. So let's do, we'll do slowly. Mom was slowly baking a tall cake, or we could say a delicious tall cake. Why don't we just say tall cake for now? Mom was slowly baking a tall cake. Okay, we add a little pizzazz into it. It tells us more. It tells us more about what is happening. What is happening in these sentences? Okay? All right. The rainbow was pretty. So let's add some sparkle. What kind of rainbow? Let's talk about, we could do size. We could say the long rainbow. We could say the tall rainbow, the wide rainbow. We could say the beautiful rainbow. What should we say? The blank rainbow was blank pretty. Think of it slowly pretty? No. We could say the blank rainbow was outside and pretty. Ooh, let's do that. Let's add an and. Was outside and pretty. So what kind of rainbow? What kind of rainbow? Why don't we say the wide rainbow? Okay, you can always change this to rainbows. Whenever I want you to add pizzazz to a sentence, you can change many, many things. Okay, you can change the noun count. You can decide you don't want to use the word pretty, okay? But for the most part, you got to use the noun that we give you. You can change how much, though. Like you could say Mom was baking many cakes. Okay, many tall cakes. All right, this one's hard, okay? Now, this one we put the wide rainbow was outside and pretty. Cool. So today was a great day. Today was, and this is hard. Today was fun. So it was a very great day, a really great day, right? It's harder when we don't have some very good nouns, right? It's harder. But I want you to try your best. You can add extra words. It doesn't have to just be an adverb or an adjective, okay? Today was fun, so it was a really great day. We can change the sentence. If we're putting pizzazz or we're putting sparkle, okay, we can change other things in the sentence, okay? So, don't know how you feel about that. What we can do is practice just a little more in the next video on putting pizzazz in our simple sentences, okay? So we're gonna try a little more, but in the next video, we're also gonna read the examples that were given, okay? We're gonna see if there's some good things they put in that we didn't think of, okay? All right, so, and as you can tell, I'm very excited for you to do sparkle in your sentences, okay? This means you're getting a lot older and better at writing, okay? So, see you in the next video.